this assessment, we're asked to predict the major product of the reaction of HBr and peroxides with the alkene shown. I've redrawn it here so I don't have to worry about the Weatherman effect. When HBr and hydrogen peroxides react, we're going to end up with a bromine radical. We won't show the mechanism of those steps, but we'll get to this point now. This bromine radical can add either at the secondary or the tertiary carbon of the alkene, and that selectivity is, as always, going to be based on forming the most stable product or the most stable intermediate. In this case, the intermediate that will form will be a tertiary radical. That tertiary radical will then react with the molecule of HBr to give us the final product. Given that we've formed one new stereocenter in the reaction, this one here where the bromine is attached to the secondary carbon, we can go back and note that this bromine could add from the front or the back of the planar alkene. As a result, this will give us a racemic mixture of alkyl halides.